Hello everyone, I'm Aradhana Mishra and I'm applying for Master of Science in Business Analytics offered by the University of Washington in summer 2021. I want to tell you why I'm interested in doing this program. I started working in the regional office in an automotive manufacturer company. Every week I compile vehicle sales data, generated business reports and share the data insights with the top management. I realize how useful they are to regional leadership to monitor the company performance. I felt happy delivering valuable insights. Post this, I worked in Accenture and Magma FinCorp HR departments, where I handled both data reporting and HR needs. Later, I took a break of 4 years from my professional life and devoted my time in nurturing my baby girl. As she is grown up now, it's time for me to focus on my career growth, and in this regard, I believe MSBA from UW Tacoma is the best start for me. Now, coming to the question why I am interested in UW Tacoma, there are several reasons. I like that it is a STEM oriented program with emphasis on technical skills. I found the courses offered to be interesting as they will make me understand how different organizations makes analytics as a part of their organizational strategies and implement analytics projects successfully. Secondly, UW Tacoma embraces diversity and develop intimate relation with peers and faculty members. This will provide me an opportunity to learn from students of diverse background, and this will definitely enhance my thought process incredibly. As I stay closer to UW Tacoma, it is a great opportunity to attend the UW Tacoma for me, as this will provide me to fulfill my commitment towards both my studies and my family. Coming to my goals, in the short term, I want to build a successful career as a business analyst. I want to leverage my MSBA learning, build reporting dashboards, and help company leadership in driving business decisions. I want to see myself as a senior analyst within the next 5 years. In the long term, I want to open my own recruiting firm. My MSBA learning will help me to use statistical method to identify the potential leads with a higher conversion rate. I already have a master's degree in human resources. Together, they will help me to identify and the business and the technical needs for my company. Coming to question what I can contribute to the program, I have worked in automobile and HR sector and I saw how business insights help the business leaders in making business decisions. I can bring those diverse viewpoint into the classroom discussion, which can benefit my peers. Also, very interactive and collaborating with my peers. I can bring my unique personality to the class and can earn the trust of my classmates and professors. What makes me unique from other candidates? I have a strong learning curiosity. I learned the SQL on my own with the help of various online portals. I have also enrolled in R and Python courses of UW Tacoma. If I'm admitted into the UW Tacoma, I'm certain I'm going to be one of the most active students. It will be great if I pursue my MSBA from UW Tacoma. I'm looking forward to join you as a graduate student. Thank you so much for your time.